the world, I have 7 continents. We will learn them big to small. There is Asia, Africa, North and South America, Antarctica and Europe, and finally Australia. Asia, Africa, North and South America, Antarctica and Europe, and finally Australia. I am Asia. I'm the largest continent and the most populated continent. There is 49 countries in this continent, which are Bangladesh, India, China, Japan, etc. About 4.7 billion people live on this continent. Also, the highest mountain is on this continent. The mountain name is Mount Everest. I am Africa. I'm the second largest continent. A lot of wildlife is found in here, which are lions, elephants, giraffes, etc. The Sahara Desert is the largest desert, and it's found in Africa. There are about 54 countries in this continent, which are Niger, Egypt, South Africa, and etc. The Nile River is the longest river and is found in Africa. I am North America. I'm the 3rd largest continent. There are 23 countries on this continent, which are USA, Canada, Mexico, Cuba, etc. Grand Canyon and the Statue of Liberty is on this continent. I am South America. I'm the 4th largest continent. There are 20 countries in this continent, which are Brazil, Argentina, Colombia, Chile. The biggest forest is in this continent, which is called the Amazon forest. I am Antarctica and nobody lives on me. About 98% of my land is covered in ice. There's no countries in this continent because of the Antarctic Treaty, which happened in 1959. I am Europe. I'm the 6th largest continent. It's the place where it has the Eiffel Tower and the Big Ben. There are 44 countries in this continent, which are Germany, France, UK, Italy, etc. I am Australia. You call me Oceania. I'm the smallest continent. There are 40 countries in this continent, including some island nations. The countries are Australia, New Zealand, Fiji, Papua New Guinea, etc. The kangaroo and koala is on this continent.